Hello, good morning. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create an Android app in a very simple way. I already created my account with Andromo, so now all I need to do is log in. Type in your password. This is your first step towards creating your Android app. You can watch this video in case you don't understand the tutorial. The video also shows you what to do. So first thing first is to create an app, a new app. So you click on the create new app button. What is your project name? The project name is the title of your new Android application. So since I'm creating an Android app for my blog, I'm going to write it as Blogging Prince. So you create. Now this is a page where you can set up the basic information about your application, the version, the target market. You can choose between Amazon, Samsung and Google Play Store. You can choose the category, which I'm using as entertainment. You can choose the package name, but I'm picking the standard since it's recognized by nearly everybody. So this feature is for professional users only, which is premium version. You have to update to premium version before you can use this feature. So now the next thing is the licensing agreement, which you just need to tick. Type something. If you are using this app, please try to visit my blog too. This message will show up to users the first time they use the application as an item of acceptance to your app. So the next thing is the launch notice. Launch notice can just be cookie this app was developed like things equals one. So apart from that, you need to upload your own icon. This is the custom icon. This is the icon must be, as you can see, stated here in 192 times 192, which is square, and the maximum is 152 times 152. So you have to pick any image. I don't have that image of such specification, so I'm just going to leave it at that. So you save your changes whenever you're done. So as settings have been saved. But the next thing now, I want to create an activity. What is an activity? Activity is where your blog post will show, your YouTube videos will show, different things you add. So what we do now is add an activity. Add an activity, you scroll down. We are creating app on Blogger. We don't have Blogger here on the list, but we can get Blogger through RSS feed. So now this is your activity name. Activity name, you can as blog post, because it's going to be shown to users. Blog post on blog. Position, I want it to be number 1, so I'm going to put it as 1. Make sure you tick this option, view this activity, and you can also upload an image. Now here comes the Blogger RSS feed. How do you know your RSS feed? Okay, I'm already seeing mine here. Okay, mine is already here. So this is your Blogger RSS feed. You find it on my blog post. I've written it down for you. It's just https your blog feeds post default. So I'm leaving it as classic feed because I want it to show all, not only images. When items are no longer in the feed, catch them. This will make it come back whenever users want them. When clicking on item show RSS recovery, this will make your blog post show either in an app or inside your blog itself, depending on which one you choose. Banner 8. Now make sure you read this instruction written down here. This instruction will guide you on this, because this like make you to violate Google AdSense rules, because your account will be banned, and you definitely don't want that. So read these options before you save. So now I'm saving. So next thing is to style. How do I want my application to look like? This is the background color. Definitely, generally either you are using a black or you are using a white. So it's already white, FFFF. But if you had wanted black, you change it to 0000 or 6. Well, I like it as white, so I'm taking it back to white. The heading color. This represents the colors of the heading. You can see each of the different colors are actually shown for you. The text color is left as black. The secondary color is also left as blue. The date is the color of the date. So the disadvantage of this thing is that you have to work in the dark. You don't really know what you are doing. There's no live preview for you. So that's one fallback of using Andromo to create an app. So action bar, I'm just going to leave all these settings the way they are. So you can also upload an image from the action bar. Save settings when you are done. So the next part is the dashboard. As it's written here, this is your home screen. Whenever visitors open your application, this is the first page they are going to show. And you definitely don't want to show them advertisement on your first page. That would appear spamming. So I'm going to untick this. I don't want advertisement on the dashboard, but I want sharing buttons to show everywhere. Yeah. So leaving this tick will show share buttons everywhere. These are just examples of how the dashboards can look. So you can select anyone or put a background image. You can see this has a background image at this part. So you can change it here. I'll put the background image here. Now look at the size. Look at the file size. So be careful when you are picking a background image. You might want it to be tiled, you might want it to be mirrored, you might want it to be tiled, you might want it to repeat. Just choose the settings that fit your needs. Activity, this is where the activity icons appear and to try to use it. You can customize it yourself, it will give you reasons, options to, or you just leave it as default, which I'm going to do. So you save your settings. So the next part is the monetization. Let's make money. If you want to make money from your Android app, you're already making money from your Android and still want to make money from your Android app. So all you need to do is connect Andromo to any of the mobile phone its publishers. You can use 8Mobile, which is AdSense for mobile. You can turn on mobile 8. You can turn on Tastetcha 8. All you just need to do is add your IDs. You can turn on anything and use it. You can turn on anything at all and use it, as long as you have your IDs with you. That's how easy it is. You can also add Facebook or DS Network. You can add Amazon Mobile 8. You can add Start App, nearly everything you can. And when you are done, click this Save Changes. So now the last part, or almost the last part, is services. You want to track your installs, you want to track your page views, you want to track your mobile usage. What you need to do is enable analytics. Add your Google Analytics, which I showed you in my blog post how to get from Blogger. So you get it and you paste it here. So the next one is you might want to send notification to your users, whether they are using your app or not. So if you want to send notification, you have to enable this air bump message. It's free. There is a link on my blog for you to create a free account, or you can also use this link to create a free account. So I'm not going to be using any of them. I'm just going to submit my application. So I've saved my changes. So the final part is to submit to build. Why do I need to submit my app to build? You have to build your app before you can use it. In order to do that, just you can review all the information to make sure everything is correct to make sure everything is correct to build my app. So now you can read the message here. Being built, we will send you, we will email you when it's ready. So that is how easy it is to create an Android app. In a few minutes, an email will be sent to your email address and you'll get your Android app, which you can upload to Google Play Store, anywhere and use. Hope the tutorial was nice and you expressed your question. You can visit my blog, bloggingprince.com, and don't forget, I'm the blogger boy. Have a very nice day. Nice teaching you.